Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is DIY anti-aging facial massage to erase forehead wrinkles and look younger. Hey everyone, welcome to back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a DIY anti-aging facial massage that will help erase forehead wrinkles and make you look younger. Forehead wrinkles can be caused by various factors such as age, genetics, sun exposure, and facial expressions. But don't worry, this massage technique will help reduce the appearance of these wrinkles and promote healthier, more youthful looking skin. First, start by washing your face and applying moisturizer or facial oil of your choice. This will help the massage and tool glide smoothly over your skin and prevent any irritation. Next, grab a facial massage tool such as a gua sha stone or a jade roller. You can also use your finger if you don't have a tool. Begin by placing the tool in the middle of your forehead and gently sweep it upward, downward, or your hairline. Repeat this motion several times, gradually increasing the pressure as you go. Then move to the area between your eyebrows and repeat the same upward motion. This will help relax the muscle in that area and prevent the formation of frown lines. Next, move Move your temples and use circular motions to massage the tool in a clockwise direction. This will be helpful, promote circulation and reduce puffiness in the area. Finally, finish off by gently massaging your forehead and temples with your fingers in a tapping motion. This will help stimulate blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage. You can repeat this massage technique as often as you like, but I recommend doing it at least once a day for the best results. Over time, you should notice a reduction in the appearance of forehead wrinkles and overall improvement in the texture and tone of your skin. And that's it for today video. And there are several oils that are great for facial massage to help reduce the appearance of forehead wrinkles. Here are few options. Jojoba oil. This oil is great for all skin type, including oily and acne prone skin. It is easily absorbed into the skin and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. Rosehip oil. This oil is high in antioxidant and essential fatty acid, which help repair and protect the skin. It also has anti-aging properties that can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Argan oil. Argan oil. This oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, which help hydrate and nourish the skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce puffiness and redness in the skin. Sweet almond oil. This oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps nourish and protect the skin. It also easily absorbs into the skin and has a light texture, making it a great choice for facial massage. Coconut oil. This oil is high in fatty acid, which help moisturize and hydrate the skin. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great choice for acne-prone skin. When choosing an oil for facial massage, it's important to choose one that is non-comedogenic and won't clog pores. Always patch test a new oil on a small area of the skin before use. it on your entire face to make sure you don't have any allergic reactions. I hope you like the video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.